Hi. So in this video, I want to talk about a new, very small feature we added to Superpower ChatGPT. It's available to both free and pro users. You can just very quickly use it. You don't even need to enable anything. The feature is already enabled by default, and you can just use it. Before I tell you about the feature, to use Superpower ChatGPT, you need to go to Google, search for Superpower ChatGPT, click on the first link. It will send you to this page where you see a button that says Add to Chrome. You click on that button and it will add the extension to your browser. Once you add the extension to your browser, you can go back to ChatGPT, refresh the page, and you'll see that the features start to show up. Now, the feature I want to talk about is collapsing your project. I've already talked about collapsing your custom GPT feature. This is a feature we already had. There's a video about this feature in our YouTube channel, but basically, over time, when you start using custom GPTs, or when you start creating project, those start to take a good amount of space in the sidebar, and it makes it really hard to actually see your conversations that you use on a regular basis when you have a lot of custom GPTs or a lot of projects. To solve that problem, we added these features that allowed you to basically collapse the list of GPTs and the list of projects. Very simple. These two features are enabled by default, and ChatGPT remembers if you have collapsed the project and the GPTs or not. So if you leave them open and refresh the page, it's going to stay in that space. So if you want to always have them open, of course you can do that. Just leave them open and refresh the page, and it will remember the last state that they were at. So quick feature, just a quality of life feature. We just wanted to make it easier for you to manage the sidebar. You create projects, but you don't want to use those projects all the time, so you can just collapse them. Another benefit of this is that sometimes you're trying to take a screenshot of your page or your ChatGPT page, or whether it's a project or custom GPTs, and you don't want to show the list of your project or list of your custom GPTs in your screenshot. This is a good way to just collapse them both and just take a screenshot. That way you can just hide this part. So that was the feature, super quick. Hope you like this feature, and thank you.